Welcome to this short chair yoga session. Start by getting yourself comfortable in your chair, feet planted to the floor, sitting up tall. Bring your hands to your chest, feet hip width apart. Take an inhale, stretch your hands, look up. Exhale, bring your hands down. Nice big inhale, nice big exhale. We'll do that one more time. Bring your thumb and your forefinger to meet and rest on your thighs. Bring your head to one side. Just stretching off your neck gently. Changing sides. Nice deep slow breath. Bring your chin towards your chest. Stretching the back of your throat. Bringing your head slightly back as far as comfortable. Lips are closed. Stretching the front of your neck. Taking the head to one side again, slowly dip the chin down as you start to perform some slow head rolls, working with your breath. Exhale as the chin comes down, inhale as your head goes back. If that's not comfortable, you can do half neck rolls. So you can avoid taking the head back if it's uncomfortable. Changing direction. Just releasing any tension in and around your neck. Tip your head to one side. Take your same hand, place it on the side of your head and flex and straighten the other arm and feel that nice stretch down the side of your neck. You can do this without placing your hand on your head. Changing sides. The hand there just gives it a wee bit extra weight, so a wee bit of a deeper stretch. Make sure you're sitting up nice and tall. Lovely. Bring the hands to the shoulders if it's comfortable. Big shoulder rolls. Circling out the elbows. Breathing in and releasing any tension in your shoulders. About 3 or 4 times. Nice. Bring the shoulders back and down. Sitting up nice and tall with your feet planted. Let's do a side bend. So you're reaching up as you inhale. Exhale as you extend. And change sides. So breathing in. Exhale. And repeating the other side. Just stretching off the side of your body. Lovely. Let's do a nice simple seated twist. So just bringing one hand to the back of your chair, the opposite hand across your leg and look up and over your shoulder. Changing sides, breathing in, exhale as you rotate. Nice big deep breath in and breathing out. Back to centre. Making sure you're sitting slightly forward in your chair now. Seated cat and cow. So we're curving the spine into a C shape, and then we're sitting up, rolling the shoulders back, looking slightly up, taking your hands behind. So exhale as you start to roll back into your chair, and then inhale as you start to lift and lengthen, stretching the spine the opposite way. So side on, that looks like curling the spine, pulling your tummy in. Inhale, sitting up tall and stretching the arms back. Exhale, curl the spine. Really good for mobilising the spine and releasing tension around the spine and the muscles. Breathing in as your head goes back as far as comfortable. Exhale, tucking your navel in. Stretch your arms out. Let's just squeeze and release into your hands, releasing any tension in your hands. Then a couple of wrist rolls. Again, this helps boost circulation to the hands. opening your chest as you breathe in. Exhale, take the hands back, and we're opening the chest. Again, you can deepen this stretch by slightly tipping your ear to one shoulder and then doing the other side. Roll the shoulders out, releasing any tension. So we're going to do ankle rotation. So bring the hands in to hug the shin and you can rotate your ankle. So just changing direction. This is good for mobility of your ankle. Just make sure you're sitting up nice and tall in your chair. You can either hold under the thigh or on the shin, whatever's comfortable. Okay, breathing in as you look up. Exhale, we're going to extend the legs out slightly and start to forward fold in your chair. So this is a seated sun salutation. So just coming down as far as comfortable. Lifting the head up, breathing in as you come up, using your tummy muscles to help support you. Bring the knee to meet your nose if you can. Sit up tall. Place the leg back down. Let's do the other side. Breathe in. Exhale, hinging forward. Coming as forward as you can in your chair. Feeling a nice stretch in the back of your legs. Inhale as you come up. Let's do a seated back bend there. And then bring the hands in. And place the leg down. Again, breathing in, look up. Exhale. Come down, stretch out the legs. So one leg this time. I'll show you side on. Place your hands to rest on your thigh, straighten out the opposite leg. Flexing your toe of the straight leg. And again, you're coming down as far as comfortable. Don't worry if you can't reach your toe. Just come in as far as you can. Inhale as you come up. Inhale, look up. Exhale, stretch your arms down. We'll do the opposite leg. So flexing the toes of a straight leg. Keeping your back nice and long. Pulling your tummy in. Then if you can, reach down. Good. Nice deep breaths as you hold the stretch. Inhale as you come up. So we're taking a nice wide stance with the legs, like a horse stance. Toes are out. We're going to stretch into the inner thighs and stretch the sides. So this is like a chair triangle, or horse stance I should say, sorry. Stretching the arms up and over. Keep space in the shoulders, away from your ears. Really should have put a bobble in my hair. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, side bend over. So you're just coming over as far as comfortable. You feel that stretch in your inner thighs and up the side of your waist. You can take your arm up and over a wee bit further to deepen that stretch if you wish. Holding it. Nice deep breaths as you breathe and hold the stretch. Lovely. Come back out as you breathe in. Okay, keep your feet wide, toes out, heels are in. Bringing the hands to the centre. So seated horse stance. Just create a bit of space. So feeling that inner stretch in your thigh. Just taking a moment to be still. Bringing the feet back in. Roll the shoulders. So we're going to come into a seated warrior position. So you're turning to one side. The other leg straightens out behind you. Bring the toes slightly in. You're bending the opposite knee. So you need to maybe come towards the edge of your chair. You turn your hips slightly in your body towards the bent knee, keeping the knee in line with your ankle. You can stretch your arms up if you wish in this seated warrior one, or you can keep them down by your side. So feeling strong in your pose. I'm going to change sides. So bring that leg in first, swivel round. Remember, if this isn't an option for you, you could go back to the seated horse stance. So knee in line with your ankle, straight leg out behind you. You're sitting on the edge of the chair. Nice long back, pulling the tummy in, shoulders in line with your hips. Chin parallel to the floor. Stretching up. Feeling strong. Feeling the sides of your waist extending up. Nice deep breaths. Strong warrior one. Bringing the hands back to centre. Bringing that leg back in. So just being mindful as you come in and out of postures, especially with your knees. So let's just give this knee a wee hug in again. And then if you can, flex your foot, place your foot on top of your opposite thigh. You can sit up really tall or you can lean slightly forward from your hips. Feel that deep stretch in your buttock. Again, only do this posture if it's comfortable for your knees. Taking care to come out of that pose. You can hold the posture here and rotate your ankle again, or if you want to take it further, flex the foot, keep your ankle in line with your knee, open up the hip, sit up tall, or you can come slightly forward and feel that stretch deepen in the buttocks. Nice deep breaths. Just easing gently in and out of each posture. Taking care as you take the leg off. Just give your ankles a wee rock back and forward. So we're going to take a nice breath in as you look up. Exhale, coming down. Seated sun salutation again. So extending forward into the forward fold. Breathe in as you come up. Shoulders back. Dropping the head back slightly. Bringing the feet back in. Hug the knee. If you can, bring it to meet your forehead on your nose. Place the foot back down. Let's do the other side. Inhale, look up. Exhale, coming forward, pulling the navel in to protect your lower back, stretching the hamstrings in the lower back. Inhale as you come up, head first, slowly. Hands back, extend. Hug the knee in. If you can, bring it to your nose. Placing the foot down. Sit up nice and tall. Roll the shoulders out a couple of times. Sit back in your chair. Relax the legs. And take a few moments to relax. Take as long as you need in this pose. You can make yourself more comfortable by using props, pillows, blankets,